Hey Beauty Finders, this is Matthias Allen. Thanks so much for clicking on this new video. So today I'm going to show you some very easy, quick minute tips for a 5-minute sophisticated look, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm starting with the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel in Caramel. Now the tinted brow gels, I'm really loving the last year that I've been using them. I'm using them in a lot of my demos. They're a really quick and easy way to fill in your brow. It keeps the brow in place and it gives you just a little bit of color. You don't even need to use pencil or shadow. Next, I always want to recommend curling your lashes with a very good, strong eyelash curler. It really will open up your eyes. And then using a waterproof mascara like this one from Pure Minerals is going to give your lashes a lot of length and very, very, very dark roots, and it's going to stay on all day long without need to worry about humidity or tearing up for any reason at all. God only knows what could happen in your day. So just always use waterproof. That's my choice. Now I'm going to show you the NARS blush in Madly. Now NARS blush is one of my favorite products on the market from NARS. They make a lot of fantastic products, but I just love the NARS blushes. There's a little bit of like a crushed pearl luminescence in these. And so these look really pretty on 9 out of 10 women's cheeks. They go on very, very soft. They can be built up for more coverage or more color or more pop, but a little bit will go a long way. And it's really hard to make a mistake with these. And NARS is just fantastic. It's been around for a very long time. I like using the NARS Blush Madly on the lid as well. As you can see, it's a very soft, pinky, semi-lavender in tone. It has just a hint of a plum, and it's a really pretty lid color. Just add a little bit of sparkle. Now I'm going to show you another NARS product that I love, this Duo Eyeshadow in Hula Hula. Now I'm going to pump up the shimmer on the lid by using the color on the left. It's very similar to Madly, the blush, but it has a lot more pink and a little bit more gold flecks. Now I'm using the other side of the Duo Eyeshadow to add a little bit of brightening under the brow bone. This has a lot of shimmer and shine, and it's just really easy to wear, especially if you just want a really nice bright eyelid for your back to school moment. So next I want to show you a great lip. This is also from NARS. This is called Jean. It's one of their new audacious lipsticks. I think that girls should not be scared of wearing red. And you know what? Not as many are as once were when I first started doing makeup. And thank God for Taylor Swift. If there's one thing that I really truly love about Taylor Swift, it's that she brought the deep, dark red lipstick to the younger generation. And so this is a great red that is great for all skin tones and skin types. And I absolutely love this color. You'll notice too that I'm putting the lipstick on with a lip brush. If you go straight from the tube, it will go on very strong and you might be scared of your own reflection in the mirror. So always use a lip brush and put it on lighter and do it in layers. That's my pro artist tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and took lots of notes, but if you did not, I have exclusive product codes and discount codes for you to purchase these products right down below. So check them out in my description box. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you want more. I do weekly beauty tutorials, weekly makeup hauls, makeup demonstrations, behind the scenes adventures, vlogs, everything beauty from me, Matthias Allen, celebrity makeup artist in Los Angeles, and all of my tips and tricks. So coming up in the days and weeks to come, please subscribe. There's a link right here for you to do so. Check out one of these other 2 videos before you go, and check out some of my other demonstrations and makeup hauls of some of my favorite products out there for you to try. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to follow me on a day-to-day basis, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at Matthias for Makeup. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.